Macaroons are small, round-shaped sweet treats that have been a favorite among dessert lovers for centuries. With a delicate crunch on the outside and a soft, chewy center, these delectable delights have a unique texture and flavor that sets them apart from other confectionery items. But where did macaroons come from, and how are they made? Let's explore the origins and making of these irresistible treats. The exact origin of macaroons is unclear, but it is believed that they were first created by nuns in medieval Europe as a way to use up leftover egg whites. Over time, they evolved into the sweet, almond-based treats that we know and love today. Macaroons can be traced back to the monasteries of Italy, where they were made with almond paste and sweetened with honey. From there, they spread throughout Europe, with each country putting its own unique spin on the recipe. In France, macaroons became a specialty of the city of Nancy, where they were made with almonds, sugar, and egg whites, and flavored with various extracts like vanilla, lemon, or chocolate. The French macaroon as we know it today was born in the 19th century, when La Durée, a Parisian bakery, added a filling of ganache or buttercream to the cookies. This transformed the macaroon from a simple cookie into a sophisticated dessert that soon became a favorite among the upper class. Making macaroons is a delicate process that requires precision and attention to detail. The key ingredients in a traditional macaroon are almonds, sugar, egg whites, and flavorings. The almonds are ground into a fine meal and combined with sugar to create the base of the macaroon. The egg whites are then beaten into a meringue, which is folded into the almond mixture. The batter is then piped onto a baking sheet and baked until golden brown. Once the macaroons are cooled, they are filled with a variety of fillings such as ganache, buttercream, fruit jams, or chocolate. The two halves are then sandwiched together to form a complete macaroon. The result is a delicious, bite-sized treat that is the perfect combination of crunch and chewiness. Macaroons are a sweet and delicious dessert that has been enjoyed by people for centuries. With their unique texture and flavor, they are a true delicacy that continues to be popular all over the world. Whether you are a fan of traditional French macaroons or enjoy trying new flavors and fillings, there is no denying that these little treats are truly irresistible. So why not treat yourself to a delicious macaroon today and taste a piece of history? Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel and be the first to receive the latest updates. www.tadatours.com